In this video I'm going to show you how to change the main profile picture on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And once you are on Instagram, just hit at the bottom right on profile picture to open up your profile, and now there hit at edit profile. There, just underneath the profile picture, tap here where it says change profile photo, and it gives us different options. First, you can hit at remove current photo to remove that picture. Next, you can import your photo from Facebook. Also, you can use your camera to take a new photo. There you can choose the photo from your phone's library. Let me show you how it works. It opens up your phone's gallery, and now there you can select some photo from your gallery. Then hit done, and the photo has been set as my profile picture. Also, you can select use avatar feature. To use your avatar, there you can select pose of your avatar, I like that one, and also here you can switch background and then hit on done to set the avatar as your profile picture. And once you have finished with that, just hit on done to apply the changes. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.